Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most talked about machines in the world of modern agriculture, the John Deere S7 tractor. This machine isn't just another big green beast rolling across the field, it's a game changer in power, technology, and efficiency. From the moment you see it, you know it means business. The design is sleek and bold, staying true to the iconic John Deere style while integrating a fresh, aggressive stance that reflects its advanced capabilities. Under the hood, you're looking at a robust engine that pushes out serious horsepower, designed to tackle the toughest jobs with ease. With a refined powertrain and enhanced fuel efficiency, this tractor isn't just built for performance, it's built to keep costs down without compromising output. One of the biggest standouts is the integrated precision technology that John Deere has packed into the S7 It comes equipped with the latest in smart farming features, including AutoTrack, JD-Link connectivity, and integrated guidance systems. That means more accurate passes in the field, less overlap, reduced input costs, and better yields. It's the kind of tech that gives farmers the edge they need to maximize productivity day in and day out. Step into the cab and you're met with luxury and functionality rolled into one. The Command View cab offers a panoramic view of the field, low noise levels, and an ergonomic layout that makes long days feel a whole lot shorter. Every control is right where you need it, intuitive to use, and designed to reduce operator fatigue. The seat is fully adjustable with active suspension, and the touchscreen display puts all critical functions at your fingertips. Whether you're fine-tuning implement settings, tracking machine performance, or connecting to your farm management system, everything flows smoothly. Ride comfort is another area where the S7 shines. Thanks to an advanced suspension system and improved weight distribution, this tractor handles rough terrain like a champ. The stability and traction give you the confidence to operate in all conditions, whether it's dry soil or a muddy field after a heavy rain. It's engineered for all-season performance, with durability that you can count on year after year. Now let's talk about versatility. The John Deere S7 is built to adapt. Whether you're planting, tilling, spraying, or hauling, this tractor is ready to handle a wide variety of implements and attachments with ease. The hydraulic system delivers high flow and pressure, allowing for precise control over even the most demanding tools. The rear hitch and PTO are engineered for compatibility and power, so whether you're running a planter or a baler, you've got all the force you need to get the job done right. Maintenance on this machine is impressively straightforward too. John Deere has focused on reducing downtime by making service points easy to access. With longer service intervals, better diagnostics, and remote monitoring through JD-Link, you spend less time under the hood and more time in the field. Plus, the onboard alerts and data tracking help you prevent problems before they start, keeping everything running smoothly. From an environmental standpoint, the S7 is also part of a new wave of cleaner, smarter machinery. With emissions-reducing technology that meets stringent standards, it shows John Deere's commitment to sustainability without sacrificing power. This is a tractor that works hard while still being mindful of the world it operates in. But the real story of the S7 isn't just in the specs, it's in the way it transforms the day-to-day work of farmers. It brings together power, comfort, intelligence, and reliability into a package that's built to meet the challenges of today and tomorrow. If you're looking for a machine that's not only tough and smart but also built with the operator in mind, the S7 is hard to beat. That wraps up our deep dive into the John Deere S7 If you've got any questions or want to share your experience with this machine, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more reviews, tips, and updates on the latest in ag tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you out in the field.